I'm Utkan Demirci. I'm the principal investigator of Bio-Acoustic-MEMS in medicine labs. I did my PhD at Stanford University in electrical engineering. I did a postdoc at Harvard Medical School at MGH working on Bio-Acoustic-MEMS, or mostly BioMEMS. And now I'm continuing as a faculty at Harvard Medical School at Harvard MIT Health Sciences and Technology, and continuing with my research that I enjoy very much. The work that I did during my PhD was very much related to droplets and using acoustics to generate precise size droplets and control their location and position to deposit very sensitive polymers. Now we apply similar technologies to encapsulate cells in droplets and then position them on the surfaces for various applications in tissue engineering, to print cells on the surfaces, to pattern cells. Also, there are applications where you want to see that you can encapsulate few cells or a single cell from the same population, and to see the differences within the same population from one cell to another. There, being able to encapsulate cells in droplets at high throughput rates, like 10,000 cells per second kind of rates, becomes very important and very useful to understand biological problems. So my research currently has two legs, I would say. One is